Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I cook my Jamaican style steamed fish. So many people been asking me, hey, how do you get your sauce to come out like that? I'm gonna show you guys in a minute, don't worry. First, I'm gonna pre-season the fish and set aside. Saute the onion, garlic before adding a small portion of water. Then, I'm gonna come in with my all-purpose seasoning as well as some pumpkin noodles. But I'm only needing the flavor from this, so I'm gonna strain off the noodles. Then I'm gonna come in with some coconut milk, leave that to simmer for like a minute or two. Next up, I'm adding all my vegetable ingredients as well as my okra, scallion, scotch bonnet, you name it. Now, fish is very easy to cook, guys. So after adding the fish to the sauce, add a small amount of butter for the finish. Leave this to steam for the next 5 minutes and the results should be amazing. Let me know what you think about this, if it's worth a try.